Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the product and safety requirements. Read the label so you use correct dose and allow proper re-entry time. Once done, clear the room of people, pets, and open flames because the aerosol is flammable and harmful. Place the Raid fogger on a table or box away from heat and plug it into a grounded outlet so it activates reliably. Press the activation tab firmly until it clicks. That starts dispersal. Make sure you step out immediately after closure to avoid exposure. You activate the fogger and leave the space immediately. This prevents inhalation and allows the aerosol to distribute evenly. Once outside, set a timer for the exact minutes the label specifies, because duration controls efficacy. Make sure windows and internal doors remain closed so the mist circulates through cracks and under doors. Fogging relies on suspended droplets reaching hidden harborages. When the timer ends, ventilate by opening windows and fans to clear residues, and only re-enter after the label's required waiting period. You finish by airing out the treated area well. Open windows and run fans to remove lingering aerosol particles, following the label's recommended ventilation time. Once clear, wipe countertops, tables, and any surfaces that contact food or children using soap and water because residues can transfer. Dispose of or wash exposed utensils and soft items per instructions. If anyone develops dizziness, coughing, or eye irritation, get them to fresh air. Wash exposed skin and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.